How to view history of yum commands: update, install, remove. I'm seeing some errors in my Apache logs, and they may, or may not, be related to some packages that I recently installed/removed using yum. Is there a way to view the history of yum packages that have been updated/installed/removed? I could use the history command from Unix, but some installations may have been done with different accounts. I've tried searching the web and reading the man page too, but haven't found anything.
Well, does the job as well.
I believe you can find what you are looking for in the yum log files, which are located in /var/log/yum.log.
For example, yum history list. Show history info for ID2.
To list packages you have installed, try this. Result. PS1, it doesn't show dependencies. PS2, it is sorted alphabetically. PS3, it doesn't show if you have removed the package later.